Hello children, good morning. So children, in our today's class we will learn about editing, how we can do inserting and deleting a record. So here our class begins. So children, our today's task is that how we can do the editing in the basic structure of the database, means in the field name, in description, how we can do the changes. So here we will learn about these things. So this one is the updated content, you all are having booklet. So from there you will get this topic. First is that database concept. This one is that we are using this database in our everyday life. So these are the application that where we are using database, that in school, colleges, you have aware that there we are storing the personal information of the students, of the teacher. We record if we want to maintain, then we are maintaining the database. Next is in industries, we are using for maintaining the record of the employees. ठीक है, what material we are using, this financial flow means that how we can do the transaction. So all these things we are maintaining in the database. In research activity we are using, in research activity like scientific activity, that what research we have done, so what is the result, and so this thing we are maintaining in the database. In consultancy services, that job that we are giving advice, that personal someone's information you are having, so you are maintaining that thing also in the database. In business, in the stock market, you are using for daily records maintaining that calculation of a stock index. So these stock maintaining, there we are using database. So children, our today's task is editing a table in the design view. We will go through these topics in the practical way. So first topic is editing a table in design view. Design view means that this one is your table design. You want to do the editing in the particular field name. If you want to do the editing in the if you want to do the editing in the field name, if you want to do the editing in their data type, this one is the description field. Whatever you are writing here, it is not visible to the end user, but whatever you are writing here in the description field, it is available here on the status bar. Okay, in the status bar it is visible to you. And next is that how we can do these things. So these things we will do in practical. That field name we can do the editing, data type or description. We can insert row also, we can delete any row from the this field. Okay, so means we are changing the layout of the table design. Next is editing the record in a table. If you want to do editing the record, what is record? Record means ma'am row. Whatever the value we are inserted here, these are the records. If you want to do the editing in the records, so that you will do with the help of datasheet view. Next topic is deleting a record from a table. If you want to delete any record from the table, then in home tab you will found this option. This one is your home tab, and here you will found option of deletion, editing and saving new record in the record group of the home tab. Next is finding and replacing any record. If you want to find or replace any record, find and replace we have done in MS Word also. So how it work and what is the function of find? Find kya karta hai? It will find that particular value there in the database, and replace, it will replace that particular with someone else. So replace tab is there. So this one is replace option. Next one is you're sorting the data in the table. Sorting means arrangement. Okay, arrangement of the records in the table. Your table records here are not in the arranged form. This one is your table, and here you will check that tables records are not arranged in the ascending descending. Okay, like English alphabet, it is not there in that form. So if you want to arrange this record, for that we are using sort option. Sorting means arrangement. Okay, so these things we will take in this practical look. So how we work and how it works. So this sorting option you will found on the home tab, and here is the option in the sort and filter group. Here is the option ascending mein karna and descending you will do, and with the help of filter we will filter. Okay, if 200 records are there, you want only that record which containing CPU as product name, then we are using filter option there. So these things we will discuss in the practical view. Next one is your sorting and filter. So next is filtering the record in the table. So this thing we will discuss there in the that practical view. So here we have having practical look. So we will go there. Okay. So children, now we will take this look in the practical. The topic is editing the table in design view. Editing the table in design view. What does it mean? It means that I have created this table for you, Okay, and now from in this table I want to do editing, that I want to insert one field between father name, this one is your field name, father name, class, roll number, section and date of birth. Okay, I have inserted few records here. I want to insert one field between father name and class, means I want to do editing in this. So for doing this editing you are having two methods. First you have to open this table in design view. So for opening the table in design view, first method is you will go there on the view tab. Here is view tab, on which in view option in the home tab, when you are clicking here you will check here is written design view. When you are clicking on design view, your table will be open in design view. If you want to open your table in design view, first method is on home tab, and here is a view option. From here we will do. Second method is here is a table in the navigation pane. Children, this left hand side now you have to know that this one is the navigation pane. Now here is your table number 1. You will do right click here, and here is the option design view. When you are clicking on this design view, your table will be open in design view. Here in table design, you know that 3 fields are here. First is field name, second is data type, third one is description. Now in field name, you will check that what design modification we can do. First is field name, या तो आप field name change करोगे. Otherwise, you will change the data type. Otherwise, you will do the editing in the description field. Field name means that column name, ठीक है, name of the column of the table, ID, name, class, father name. So look, this one is the key symbol. Key symbol represent that this one is a primary key field. Okay. If you want to do editing in any particular field, then you will go there directly and you will do the editing like this. If you want to change the data type, then select that data type. This drop down menu appear, right click and then click on this drop down arrow, and from here you will select the data type. If you want to do the changes in the description, children, what is the meaning of this description field? Whatever you are writing here in the description field, it is not visible to the user. Okay, those who are doing entry in the record, they will not check this description. What is the purpose of this? Suppose I am creating database for your company, and in your company I hand over it to you, and you want to do the modification in this database. For this, what you have to do, how you know that why I am writing this field, okay, what is my purpose? So I am writing my purpose here, that here you will insert your father name. Now it is easy for you that why I am entering this field, so you will do the changes in the description. If you want to do the changes in any particular field, you will go there and now you will do the changes. Same with data type, with the drop down arrow you will do the changes. And in description field, if you want to add, if you want to delete, you will do. Whatever you are writing in this description field, it is not visible to the user. So in this manner we are creating the table. So in this manner we are doing the editing. Now our task is that field name we have done, editing done, data type done, description done. Now our next task is if we want to insert row. If we want to insert row, for this you will click on this design tab. Okay. Now in design tab in tools group, you will check here is the option insert row, here is the option delete row. It is visible to you now. Here is the option insert row, here is the option delete row. From these we can do the editing, we can insert and delete row in the table design. I want to insert row. Then first you have to select and then click on insert row. You will check between class and roll number, one row is inserted. Now you will insert your field name. I am writing SR number, and now you will select the data type here. By default data type is text. You will do the changes here. You will write down number. And if you want to insert description with this field, that you will insert your SR number here. You will write down your description. Oh, ma'am, I want to remove this field because everyone is having same SR number, everyone is having same class. So I don't want to insert this class field here. What you have to do, you will select it, then click on this delete row. Which tab? Design tab. Which group? Tools group. Here is the option delete row. You will select it, and then do you want to permanently delete the selected field? Yes. Now you will check that that particular field will be deleted. Okay. Second method, to insert any row and delete any row in the design view. So this, first you have to select and then right click, and then here is the option insert row. आ गया ना? Then select it. Now you will insert your field name. I am writing here class. Okay, by default data type is text. Now I want to change it, then select number data type, and now you will check that your new field will be inserted. If you want to delete any field, then select that particular field. First method is from design tab. From this tools group, here you will check insert and delete option. Otherwise, second method is right click. First you will open your table in design view, then right click, and here is the option delete row. If you are clicking on this delete row option, that particular row will be deleted. Now you will do the save changes in this. For this, doing save changes either from quick access toolbar, from here you will do, or from here office button, from here you will do the save changes. Okay, now it means our changes are saved. So now we are switching on to our data sheet view. Here you will check class field is here. Okay, and your SR number field is deleted from here. So in this manner we can do the editing in the design of the table. Design समझ में आ गया कि I have created this table. I want to do the changes in the field name. I want to insert any field. I want to delete any field. Then from here we will do. ठीक है, first we will open in table in design view. How we can open? Either you will do right click here, from here design view option, or from this views option from the home tab you will select the design view. When you are selecting the table design view, your design view will appear. Now from here design tab, here is a tools group. From here insert row and delete row option, from here you will do the insertion or deletion, or you will select that particular field जहाँ पे insert करना है या delete करना है, then right click and here is the option insert row and delete row option. Okay children, our next task is editing record in a table. Editing record in a table. Record means that whatever the entries we have done here, okay, these are the records, row records. Okay, I want to do the editing in the records. Okay, oh ma'am, by mistake I have written here Vanshika. I have to write here Vansh. Okay, so it means I want to do the editing in this particular record. So editing the record in a table. So for this you have to open your table first in data sheet view. This one is my data sheet view. If you want to switch to data sheet view, then click on view and here is the option data sheet. From here we will switch on to this data sheet view. Now if you want to do the editing in any particular field, adding करना है, delete करना है, from here we will do. I want to insert class also, means I am adding something. I am writing 6th class, and like this we can do the editing in the table with the help of this data sheet view. Children, if you want to move between different field means these columns. Okay, if you want to move between different field, you will use arrow key from the keyboard. With the help of this you will move up and down, or with the help of tab. Okay, with the help of tab also you are moving like this. You will check I am using tab key, arrow key up and down, and with the help of tab key you will move forward. So like this we will go on that particular record and you will do the editing. If you want to add something, you will do it like this. If you want to delete something, then delete it. Like this we can do the editing the records in a table. Children, our next task is that deleting a record from a table. Means this one is my record. Ma'am, this is student taken TC. So I want to delete this record from the database. How we can do? So for deleting a record from the table, you are having two options. First is this one is your home tab. Home tab it is. Now in the home tab, in the records group, you will check here is the option delete. You will check here is the option delete and save and new. Three options are there. You will check once. Here you will check that in the home tab, here is the option delete, save and new. These three options are there. Now I want to delete any record from a table. Okay, so first what you have to do, you will select the record from with this header. Okay, click here, record will be selected. I am selecting this one. Now click on this home tab. In home tab, which group? Records group. Here you will check all the options are related to record. Here is the option delete. When I am clicking on delete, then do you want to delete this record? Yes. Now your record will be deleted. You will check your record will be deleted. I want to insert one new record here. Okay, I want to insert one new record here. Then click on this new option. record in database ना we are inserted, then it will be always be inserted in the last. ठीक है. Or table designing, when we are doing updation in the design of the table, I want to insert one field name between these two, then right click करा इस field के ऊपर, right click and then insert row. When I am clicking insert row, one row will be inserted in between. But when you are entering the record in between, okay, when you entering the record, what you have to do, first you will open the table in datasheet view. If you want to insert or delete any record, first you have to select that any record you want to delete this, then either right click कर दो, right click, here is the option delete record, here is the option new record. When you are clicking on delete record option, your record will be deleted. When you are clicking on new record option, then new record will be inserted, but in database new record always inserted in the last. Okay, if you want to shift it in between, then you will use sort and filter option. So for deleting any record, first you have to select that record. Either right click you will do delete record option, or from home tab, which group, here is the record groups option and here is the option delete. Okay, so you will select this delete record. Do you want to delete this record? Yes, you will check that particular record will be deleted. Okay, first select and then click on delete and you will check that record will be deleted. Okay, now if you want to insert any record, always new record will be inserted in the last in the database. You will click on new option. When you are clicking on new, you will check your cursor is blinking in the last. Now you will insert the record here in the database. Father name I am writing, class I am writing, here is your roll number I am writing, and section I am writing like this. ठीक है, and here is the date of birth because I am choosing here date and time data type, so that's why this calendar appear. If you want to change the data type of any particular field, select that field first, and here is data sheet view, and from this data sheet view here is data type option. From here you will select the data type. If you open the table in design view, then how we can open the table in design view? First click on here, from this datasheet view also you will check datasheet tab. Here is a view option in view group. From here you will go there on design tab. Otherwise second option is first select the table. This one is your navigation pane. Here is the table option. You will go there and right click there, and here is the option design view. When you are clicking on design view, you will check your table will be open in design view. Now you will do the editing. So what we learned till now we learned two topics. That first is editing the design of the table. Design means कि जो भी हमने उसमें field names place किए हैं, जो भी data types हैं, if you want to do the editing in the description, so you can do. For this you will open your table in design view and then you will do the editing either from this design view tab. Here is the option tools group and here is the option insert row and delete row. Otherwise second is you will right click on that particular field in the design view and then right click, you are having the option insert row and delete row. From here we can do. Second, or what we learned today, we learn about that how we can editing the record in a table. How we can do the editing the record. Record means that in table what I have inserted. So for this, first you open your table in datasheet view. When you open it in datasheet view, here is your record. If you want to do the editing any record, so first you will go there with the help of this arrow key and tab key, and then you, if you want to insert something, insert there. If you want to delete something, then delete. Okay, so if you want to delete something, then delete. Like this we can do the editing. Second method of editing the record in a table is that if you want to do the changes, here suppose I want to delete any record from the table, or what we learned here, deleting any record. Okay, if you have done any editing in the table, then you will save it. Either click on office button, here is a save option, or from this save option from this quick access toolbar from this one. Okay, next is deleting a record from a table. This one is my record. This child has taken TC. I want to remove this record, delete this record. So you have to first select the record and then right click. Here is the option delete record. When I am clicking delete record, that specific record will be removed. If you want to insert any record, then database may always new record will be inserted in the last. Right click. When you are clicking on new record, your cursor will blinking on the last. Now you will insert your record. Like this you will insert your record. And here is data type is number. I am inserting text. You will check, it will show me error. What error? The value you entered does not match to the number data type. It means that we have to remove this value and we have to place number value in this particular field. I am writing 89. Next, roll number, again number data type. And here is section, so you will insert section. And here is date and time, so you will insert, select any particular date. So in this manner we are deleting record from a table. Children, our next task is finding and replacing a record. In MS Word you have done that how we can find, है ना, that in any specific word if you want to find or replace that word with some else word, you can easily do. So for this, finding and replacing any record, which tab? Home tab. And here is home tab, we are already there. Click on home tab and here you will check that in sort and filter group, in find and replace group, here is the option find. Okay, here is the option find. When you are clicking on this find option, you will check one window will appear. Here is find. Find what? Okay, you will write down any name here. Here three fields are here: look in, match and search. Find what? Find what? I am writing here. I am writing name Golu. Here Golu name is here in the database. So I am writing here Golu. Children, what is the need of this? What is the need of using this find and replace? If few records are here I am writing 4 records. Suppose 40 records are there. So I can do this find. I am searching anything in this manually also. But suppose here I am having 3000, 4000 records. And if we are doing this searching manually, might be possible some error occur. Okay? So for this, we are choosing this find and replace option. Where we will found, ma'am? So for find and replace, which tab is responsible? Home tab. You will click on home tab. When you are clicking on home tab, here is the last group, that one is find group. And in this find group, here is the option find, replace, go to and select. So you will select find option. When you are clicking on this find option, one window will appear. Here you will check two tabs are here, find and replace. When I am clicking on find, it will show me what I am writing here. I am writing Golu. One name is there in my database, Golu. Here is look in. What does this mean? Look in means that in the database you will which one. ठीक है? So look in, date of birth किस में select करना है? So look in complete table. Table 1 is the name of my table. Match whole field or any part of the field or start of the field. ठीक है? Means that complete field ये होना चाहिए. Any part of the field कहीं पे भी गोलू मिल जाए वो वाला सेलेक्ट करना है. स्टार्ट ऑफ द फील्ड इन स्टार्टिंग ओनली. ठीक है? सो आई एम राइटिंग होल फील्ड, कंप्लीट में होना चाहिए. सर्च ऑल मीन्स हेयर यू विल चेक अप सर्च. फाइंड नेक्स्ट विल find that particular text. If it is there, then it will show it to us. देखो, I am selecting here name is, I am writing here Golu and Golu name is not here. I am clicking find next. It will show what? My MS Access finished searching the record. The search item was not found. It is not there in the database. Okay, no problem. I am writing, I am changing this name. I am writing here Ramu, R-A-M-U. Now done. Now I am searching find next. It will show me, देखो यहाँ पे आ गया highlighted cursor that name Ramu name is here. If you want to replace this Ramu name with some else name, I am writing Ramu. ठीक है? Find what? Ramu. Replace with Kritika. Okay. Look in table. If so many tables are there, you will select. If you want to select here, you will check na name. ठीक है? In which you have to find this. So I am selecting this table 1 and match whole field or any part of the field. कहीं पे भी मिल जाए या complete में होना चाहिए. Whole field you will check and search means here up, down or all. You will select all. And here is find next. It will find. And cancel. Cancel means when I am clicking on cancel, this dialog box will be disappear. Replace. Replace will, it will replace that. Suppose 10 Ramu are there, then it will replace all. Replace if I am clicking, then it will replace the first existence of that record. Replace all I am clicking, then it will replace all the Ramu with this name Kritika. In my database, you will check only one field name is Ramu. I am clicking replace all. It will replace that Ramu with Kritika. Done. It is visible to you now that Kritika is here in place of Ramu. And children, next topic is that sorting a record. If you want to do the sorting means arrangement. अगर आपको arrange करना है इनको, then click on home tab, and here is the option sort and filter group, and here is the two option A to Z sorting or Z to A sorting. Filter, it will show us that specific record जो अगर हमें चाहिए. I am selecting A to Z. First you have to select the field name. I am selecting name, or any field you will select. I am selecting father name. Here is sort option A to Z I am selecting, and then first select field name and then select your sort option, roll number, and then select sort option. It will select according to this. Okay. So this topic we discussed today, we are discussing about the editing the design of the table, editing the field of the table, and editing the record of the table, and in this how we can insert new record, how we can delete any record, how we can sort the record, and how we can do the deletion, how we can do the editing in the content of the table. So these things we discussed in our today's class. So children, I hope you all got what I want to deliver. So if you found any problem in any topic, you will tell this to me. I will repeat that topic. So thank you class for listening me, for giving me your precious time. Thank you.